Hi, I'm Matt Linko and we're here in the Dana garage. Today we're going to be talking about Victor Lock differential gaskets. You know, the construction of these gaskets is very unique. We have our patented FoamFlex technology, our aluminum core, and then our signature blue silicone bead. Now, all of these components make up this reusable gasket. However, let's dive into each one. There's two layers of foam here that allow for expansion and contraction within those different temperature ranges that this gasket's going to be exposed to. We have an aluminum core that provides rigidity to this gasket, and then our signature blue silicone bead allows for easy removal off of the differential housing, and then also allows for a no mess application whenever you're installing it on that differential. You know, unlike other paper or corked gaskets, this is not going to stick. You don't have to scrape it off whenever you go to remove it, and you can use this gasket over and over again. So rather than using RTV on your differential, you can use Victor Lock differential gaskets.